Okay, I just got out of the shower. I was gonna do my makeup and I thought I would show you how these brushes work because I used them yesterday and I'm very impressed. It's gonna be a little bit hard for me to do my makeup like this, but I'm gonna try it anyways, okay? We're gonna start with this little concealer brush. I like to go and I just did my like primer, my moisturizer. So I like to go in with my concealer and just do under the eyes, around my nose gets a little red, and just any spots that need it. And then I go with this brush and I use this side and I just like work it in and tap it and don't like drag it on my skin, but like it seems to blend really nicely. And as I add more makeup, it will look seamless. It takes away the redness. And this was just a Tarte concealer. But honestly, I mean, makeup makes a difference, yes. But another big thing that makes the difference is the brush. Like I've used this with my hands and your hands just don't blend like brushes blend in. So there's that. Okay, I have a mirror over here too. So if I'm looking over that way, that's why. Anyways, next I have some BB cream. I just use this as foundation because it has sunscreen. Just throw it on there. And I'm gonna come in with this brush and just buff it out. And it has some good coverage. Like the brush doesn't just take off all the makeup. It like rubs it in really nicely and blends really well into my spots that I concealed. Let's do a little bit on top. And I love how fast this goes. This is like beautiful. I just really enjoy the brushes. Oh man, I'm looking tired. Okay. I'm also not 20 anymore, so that's showing up there as well. Okay, the brush is done there. Next, I have just a blush from Tarte, a blush cream. And I really like using this. It's the double-sided. This one's the fluffy side. This one's the more firm side, I guess. And I like just using that and just rubbing that around, kind of like this. I have in the past used my fingers for the blush, and I just don't love how it turns out, but I'm really liking how it's turning out with the brush. I feel like the brush is just a little more subtle and not as harsh as my finger blending, like that. And I'm not by any means a makeup artist. I just do a quick, kind of more natural look, like a mom look, because I'm a mom. And I'm busy throughout my day, but I want to still look kind of put together. And then I have just a little bit of a bronzer, and I just go underneath. And this is a fantastic one. It's not too stiff, and it blends really nicely. Just like that. Like I said, half the battle is finding the right brushes. And I think this is a really great set. I do have a Tarte brush like this. And then this brush is very similar to this for my foundation. I think it works just as well. So Tarte brush is great. This one works just great too. And with the whole combination of all these brushes, so I would still do my makeup, my eye makeup, but as far as like the base layer, that's what I usually do. And it works really well. It has great coverage, gives you exactly what you need, at least for me in my routine. I've been really happy with this.